Hello everyone and welcome to BOTIP250, crystal clear, transparently designed assessments. For those that don't know me, my name is Nicholas Yates. I'll be your host, I suppose, of this BOTIP250, facilitator more likely. I'm a senior learning and development specialist here in the CEI. I'm also BOTIP coordinator as well as the QM coordinator. Let me tell you a little bit more about those. BOTIP is the Blended and Online Teaching Innovation Program. On the left-hand side, we have the world-famous Quality Matters, and this is accredited professional development that is offered through the CEI by myself, and that can be taken throughout the semester. Okay, we also have the Zayed University Applied Workshop. These are efforts to increase the knowledge and skills of Zayed University faculty for Quality Matters and the application of Quality Matters, as well as blended and online teaching innovation here at Zayed University. So you're taking BOTIP 250, which is a Zayed University Applied Workshop. So this is an asynchronous online cohort-based discussion. It's asynchronous. We're not meeting, and you'll be doing everything on anytime, anywhere. It's all online, but we are with a cohort. So down later, there's a firm due dates bullet point. And so you are with a cohort. Please be guided by these due dates. Whenever you see that learning activity, like the independent research is due, or the post and reply to the discussion forum, these are the things that need to be done sort of on the day that it's due so that you progress with your cohort throughout the week. Bullet point 2 says no synchronous Zoom session within this module, workshop, I should say. It is short and flexible. It's a week long. You'll probably spend around 3 to 5 hours within the week. Some faculty report more, some faculty report less. Okay, so there are firm due dates. Please be guided by the schedule. And the workshop is only one week long, and it officially closes 2 weeks from the start. Anything that is overdue by that point, unfortunately, won't be checked. We need to move on to the next Zayed University Applied Workshop. So let me tell you about this specific workshop, crystal clear, transparently designed assessments. Let's think about this word crystal clear. Imagine this student was given the task of build a rocket, and he or she knew everything about it. They built the rocket and there you go. Do your students understand everything about your assignments and assessments? Do they understand what to do, the purpose, the instructions, the criteria, the expectations of you, of the discipline? These sorts of things can be communicated throughout the semester, yes. But when it comes time to it, are they communicated to the student? And so this is, I think, what we mean by crystal clear. We want to basically promote and design effective assignments. And a way to do this is through transparency. This transparency can also help for learning activities as well. We encourage, transparency encourages you and also students to know what, why, how. It encourages them being transparent, and the assignment being transparent encourages them to demonstrate knowledge and skills and not really misunderstand the instructions. Their focus is to complete the best of their ability and not just their focus on understanding the assignment. How do we do this? Well, we'll go through a lot more detail in this workshop, but the basics is transparency comes through purpose, task, and criteria. You may know a little about these already. Fantastic. You'll learn a lot more throughout this workshop. So if you do need any support, then there is the Q&A forum in the Blackboard course. I'll be able to answer all questions there. I encourage you to post there because other colleagues may be thinking about the same question. You could also email me. And if you, here's a small little tip. If you include BOTIP250 in the subject line, then I'll make sure it's my priority during those week or 2 weeks to get back to you ASAP. Thanks very much, colleagues. I look forward to working with you throughout the week.